Our salary ranges between around $10 to $15. Everything is automated and ready to go. There is just a few steps that I will show in this video. No cost, no sales, no website, and expect results in 25-hour range. Step 1. Copy your affiliate link and shorten it using any link shortener. Step 2. Head over to this website and click on Connect your account. Step 3. Select Autopilot mode. And Step 4. Click on Start account. Now this free application is going to be sending you autopilot traffic, and you can sit back and relax. And as a Step 5, enjoy daily payments just like this, going to your bank account or to your PayPal account. First, let's make your payment method. Most used payout method is PayPal, but in this case I prefer awise.com. They have lower fees, and it's easy to use and ready to go. When payout method is set done, head over to pagroup. This is affiliate site that is going crazy right now, so let's get into it on time. Wise is a secure and reliable way for individuals to send money abroad. Built by professionals with years of experience in cross-border currency transfers, Wise makes it easy and safe to send money abroad. Now head over to cpagrip.com. Do you want to make money by locking your content and requiring people to do offers? CPA Grip offers 3 types of content lockers to help monetize your web content, and offer wall, URL locker, and video locker. Whether you are a publisher looking for ways to monetize your site or an advertiser looking for targeted traffic, they have the tools and technology to help. As a publisher, you will want to discover cpagrip.com's offer wall features and promote your content to targeted audiences. By allowing users to unlock access to your content by completing offers instead of blocking them, you can increase revenue without losing traffic. CPA Grip offers multiple monetization options including content lockers, URL lockers, and video lockers to help you generate passive income from your existing traffic. They have the best technology tools in the industry for offering advertisers access to a highly qualified audience of consumers who want to buy products online. They are here to help you get started by providing free tools and tutorials. As a publisher, you will want to discover cpagrip.com's offer wall features and promote your content to targeted audiences. By allowing users to unlock access to your content by completing offers instead of blocking them, you can increase revenue without losing traffic. Next step, we need to short this ugly affiliate link. I use shorturl.at, now we have a much nicer looking link. Next step, we need to short this ugly affiliate link. I use shorturl.at, now we have a much nicer looking link. Now let's put shorten link into Instagram bio, and next site will focus on our Instagram bio and find audience with that template. Instagram bio will need to look something like this: small about us form and our affiliate link. Final step is called Buffer. Buffer is a site that suggests other users your Instagram account focused on your Instagram bio description. All you need to do now is do these steps as showed in video and results will come. In my case, results come in 24-hour range. Hope you liked and enjoyed the video. See you in future money making methods. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, comment it below and I will discuss personally. See you in future video.